the wonderful and beautiful Korea. But in this video, we are specifically talking about Gyeonggi-do. Join me, JRE, as I explore Gyeonggi-do through my point of view, through my camera point of view, and my special guest point of view. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy JRE. We are here in Gyeonggi, Everland. It's my first time, but also I have a special guest and friend. Please introduce yourself.
What's up? Hey everyone, it's Leonard here. I am that special friend of Dre's. I'm a model entrepreneur out here in Korea, but today I'm at Everland for the first time with my buddy Dre.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, so it's both of our first time. We're just ready to explore and have some fun, so come along.
So this is coffee number 2 for today, of which I think I'm probably gonna have 5 because, hey, you're at Everland, you gotta have energy to enjoy the rides, you know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Facts.
Easy.
Write that down.
Write that down. Right now. Put it in your notes. They're all looking up.
I think this one's kind of sus. Look, he's got a really, like, awkwardly weird... He's just surprised. This guy looks like Sorn. This one looks like Sorn.
I kind of want a picture of this actually.
Previously we were looking at the map,
has decided.
but we have collectively decided we're just gonna wing it.
We're just gonna walk around, see how we feel things.
The first roller coaster we stumble upon, hey, that's the lucky one. We're gonna jump right. It's literally right there.
Like,
yeah.
if you turn around, it's right there. Yeah. You are my son.
You are my son. You're my son? Oh, damn.
You can't see right now, but I'm doing like the F-boy face. We on one, you know what I'm saying? Flower gang, let's go. Everland.
You can't go to Everland without purchasing one of these bad boys.
I mean, you can't. It's just you gotta stand out like this. You're in Everland.
Thing is, if you went to Everland but you didn't buy one of these, did you go to Everland?
Did you?
Probably not.
Nah. That was a bit much. I don't know.
Carousel of death.
That's
what it should have been called.
The horses, they kept on bouncing. I'm glad I didn't go into the top one where they're going up and down because I don't know how you can ride that, but never again. Too scary.
It's a no for me.
Everland.
Yeah.
Take that out. That's too scary. I don't know how those kids survived that, but
it's a hazard. I can't believe they actually let people on that thing.
It's the main attraction. It's the roller coaster that everybody's talking about, how scary it is, how there's the drops. It's a wooden roller coaster, and We're about to go on this. We're about to do this thing.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
There's no loops on this one, is it?
No loops. It's mostly just drops.
Okay, so you got some fast drops on this wooden roller coaster.
Which means it goes faster.
Yeah.
And it could break down easier.
Apparently.
Apparently.
I'm excited to try it.
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited to try it. Let's go. T-Express. Oh, let me tell you about this T-Express.
Woo, buddy.
The expectations, they exceeded my expectations, so I'll tell you. Because I was thinking like, all right, this is some old like wooden roller coaster.
Rickety, you know.
Yeah, it looked rickety, but tell you what, the experience, not rickety.
It was terrifying.
Yeah.
The T stands for terrifying.
Yeah, that's right.
It's not terrible, it's terrifying. It was good. It was a good roller coaster. There were some scary parts because I thought I was gonna get hit by one of the woods. That's why I kept on ducking, even though I'm not that tall. It just seemed that way.
Yeah, though, like me and Dre, we were doing the ride like this.
Well, everybody else was fine and they had their hands up, but I enjoyed it.
That was
the
fun.
First drop, straight to the stomach.
Yeah.
Second drop, straight to the stomach. Then everything else was like moderately, you know. But overall, good roller coaster. That was the best one right there. Guy right here. It's going home. Gyeonggi Everland. Had a fun time, but I'm exhausted.
It was a hell of an experience.
Ended on a great note. T-Express. Ate some food. Walked around a lot. Got some exercise.
Yeah.
And now it's raining.
And made a quick purchase too.
Quick little purchase,
Made
you
a
know.
new friend.
New little friend, you know what I'm saying? New outfits. I'm decked out in Everland. But thank you for coming through. It's been fun.
It's been a good time.
And
Thanks for
yeah,
having me.
no, of course.
Thanks
I'll
for
invite
having
you
me.
again. Let's go out with a bigger group next time.
Yeah, dude, it's the first time I've been to Everland, but also the first time in like a year, 2 years that I've been to a theme park. So
True, same.
I had to do it with my boy Dre.
Let's go.
Yeah.
And it was a good time. Hopefully you guys can come through and experience it yourself. And till next time, everybody. Peace.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're at Gyeonggi-do's GS25, and we're gonna use their local currency. So let's do that, okay? 감사합니다. 감사합니다. And there we go. Done. Amazing.
Hi guys, 안녕하세요. 네, I'm Chef Lee from Korea, Hwaseong, Gyeonggi-do province with JRE and Friends. Nice to meet you guys all.
Hey, you better subscribe.